Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install MovieBox Pro on Android TV. So if you want to install MovieBox Pro, you can first check it on your Google Play Store, but the MovieBox Pro is not available on my Google Play Store for this device, so I can go to my browser. So this is the browser that you can easily download from your Google Play Store. It's available for free. Here, you can type in MovieBox Pro. After that, you can click on the second link that says movieboxpro.info. You can scroll down and click on the download button and you can click download it. We'll start to download your MovieBox Pro application. So my download has been completed. I can click on this to, get my installation started. I can click on the install button right bottom side of the screen. The app has been installed. Now I can click on opening your MovieBox Pro application has been downloaded and installed. So this is how you can install your MovieBox Pro on your Android TV. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.